Okay, we're back in lunchtime. We made some good headway. We got the driveway cleared out after Jeremy. Thank you, Jeremy, for clearing this driveway for there's an elderly couple that lives here, and it's Terry's grandparents. Oh. And the walls are so high I can't throw it over the top anymore. I had to throw it out in the street. The sun smelled it real good. I'm in Lake Arrowhead. I'm off of Annandale. Oh, let me get my windows up a little bit. That feels good. I got 48 degrees. It was 50 yesterday. It's melting real good. It's helping. I'm about a fifth of the walkway up. The grandpa has a walker, so I got to make it a little bit wider. But I'm through the drift, which was really deep. Now I just got about 30 feet, well, 40 feet to the front door. I'm gonna let it melt down. I'm gonna go have lunch. What is it, 1 o'clock? Yeah, I've been digging I got out here about 9. So I got about 4 hours of digging. Mostly just cleaning up that driveway, make it a little wider so they can make that corner and they can see a little better when they come out. The problem is, like right here, you can't see till you're right in the middle of the road. But oh man, I hope please slow down. I better take it out. Two-wheel drive. See, like this guy, that ain't too bad. There's people flying around these corners. You know, you're gonna T-bone somebody. It's pulling out. I'm gonna go over to Papagayos. I haven't been there in ages. In fact, I haven't been to the new place. I've been going. We always went to the old place. And then they moved. I'm not sure. I guess it's in the village. I haven't been down there, and it's always such a jammed up place, so I don't go in there very often. But it's not jammed up. Somebody said they were staters over there, and they've opened the mountain. All the roads are open. Yesterday, they said it wasn't too bad. Oh, I haven't shoveled something like this since I was a kid in Iowa. Deep and heavy. The body's telling me about that. It reminded me last night. I'm 60 something, so it's good cardio, good workout. Upper body and the cardio. Man, and your legs. You gotta use your legs and hips to pivot to throw it. Come on, assholes. Get on your side. Slow down. People are cutting corners, you know, they're back into, you know, I'm going to drive like an asshole mode. I think they got stop signs here, but maybe not. Yeah, someplace you can't see the stop signs. That's one good thing I like about Google Maps now. I think Waze does it. They show you the stop signs. I think they added it a month or two ago. It really helps. You know when's coming up. You know, if it's hidden by trees or the guy's garbage cans bugging, yeah, people are pulling. See how they have to eke out? And you got, since you're halfway out, you know, if there's somebody flying around the corner, you're a sitting duck. They won't be able to stop in time. I would say from being up here when we were up here Friday, today's Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I would say the snow's melted down. I would say a quarter of it. There's rivers of water everywhere. As soon as I say that, I get on a dry road. But the road I'm working on and just about everywhere has a pretty good little creek flowing down it now from all this. Hopefully it'll get off the damn roofs so that we don't have any more collapse. In fact, this house I think is right here that I saw is it this one? I think it is. There's a truck parked here. I think they're looking at this. I think it's a porch. Balcony collapse. Yeah, it feels so bad that I think this was the one. Oh no, somebody unloaded that's the other thing, you got people unloading bobcats, skid steers. So you come out of the corner, there might be a trailer parked there. I've come out of the corner and there's a plow, a big old plow sitting there. I can't remember where I saw that. This is Grass Valley. Yeah, see, he just saw my nose sticking out. Thankfully, he honked. Once in a lifetime, I've been here since 80, what is that, 43 years? Once in a lifetime, the locals are saying 8-10 feet in crest line. Over here they're saying 6 to 8 feet. Forest Falls, Jinx Lake Road, they're saying 4 to 5 feet. Big Bear, maybe I would say 6 feet over there when I was over there. And it's not fluffy snow now. It's all, like they said, it wasn't fluffy when it came down. The second one, it was wet and it froze. You basically, on top it's a little bit lighter. You can shovel that, but the bottom 2 feet you have to carve out a giant snow block. Let's see where I want to go. You carve out a giant snow block and then you pick it up. I broke my snow shovel, the handle. You really can't. Do I have the right away here? I'm not sure who's got right away here, but oh yeah, I got a stop sign. There's a stop sign that's buried over there. But I've went to a square tip or a square point, they call it, like a flat garden spade, metal. I haven't had the snow sticking to it yet, but it is a good idea. Squirt it down with WD-40 or kitchen grease or whatever you got. Keep that snow. I think it's when it's real fresh, it's sticking. And that's not a good. That car was parked there. That's not a good place to park. I would not want to park there because they're going to lose that front end. Somebody's going to come barreling around there and just bam, they're going to probably do a hit and run. Look at the potholes. But on the shovels, I broke mine. I bought one or two in case somebody needed one at Lowe's for it's fiberglass handle. I want to say 26 bucks each. See, I got to go left here. Yeah, I've been going right. I need to go left. But with that, you can chisel. You can chisel off a chunk. I ordered one of those. What do they call them? It starts with a B. They're all polycarbonate. Big guy coming in. Let him in. Nice guy there. Let me get out of the way. You know, they're all one piece. Those were like 45. They were kind of expensive, but I like that idea. But they're not good for like using it as a chisel. The metal blades, flat blades, work the best. Yeah, there's a whole different science up here on this. Usually when I was a kid, it was just 2 foot of just fluffy snow. You could pick up 2 foot, 3 foot high of snow and just throw it. You're lucky to get a foot and not a big chunk. Oh, that tree come down right there. A lot of trees down. Yeah, look at the tree on the right. A lot of trees down around when I came in last Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday. What was that, 18? I had to go, the Narrows was shut off because of a slide. I had to go up into Crestline and take Crest Forest. They had a lot of trees down over there. Verizon was down, the cable, the Fios, the sheriff, everybody. I had to go up on a hill there on 189 to get a text out. So it's kind of like, one lady was saying they had to go up to check somebody. They were trying to get meds for this guy that was running out of his meds, older guy. Her husband had to hike up, get a text out. I guess it was to change his pharmacy to up here so they could fill it up here. He was normally doing it in Redlands. Then he had to hike down, then go hike to the pharmacy. But the elderly guy was about to run out of his meds, and he said he cried. He cried when he got up the meds. Oh, where am I at here? I think this is Blue Jay. Yeah, this where we used to play hockey. Down here around the corner. I'm looking for. Need to go to the village. There's a guy on the roof. I don't know if you can see him. I wonder if I could go in this parking lot and let you see him. I'd like to get a picture of him. There's a guy on the roof with a. They were talking about this. Oh, this is chances. This is the one that's red tag. Yeah, that's the chances that had the roof collapse right there. Look at the guy on the animal hospital. Is that crazy or what? Gotta get a picture. There's so many people helping. But they were talking about decks, driving out to clear these parking decks that the bobcats, you know, they were worried about the bobcat collapsing with already the weight of the snow, but they look like they're being able to do it. They're driving out. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he turned it off. Come on now. I'm just gonna get my picture and you gotta keep going, guy. My picture's no good without snow flying. There we go. Take a look and make sure it's a decent picture. Some of my pictures aren't coming out the best. One, I had the lens and was all messed up. It looked like a potato phone. Looked like I took it with a potato phone. Anyway, back to Papagayos. I got one cell recording, and the other cell is my mapping and stop and take pictures. There's a cafe there. What's Spade and Spatula Tacos? You haven't been up here in a while. I wanted to try and throw some money around for the locals. I hit Deep Creek Cafe, Spade and Spatula Gastropub. I'm making a note of all these to come back up. I'm going to try and come back up next Friday. People are still digging out. They're still trapped at home. Haven't been out in weeks. It's going on Thursday. It'll be 3 weeks. It's unbelievable. It sounds like all the post offices are. The one thing people are wanting to mail in, I guess they've dug out the post office, and I think they are all open now. Yeah, that's chancy with the man. So yeah, there's a gap on the roof now, but I think it's too late. Yeah, there's the cinema. They said the Blue Jay Cinema was back open. I think it's still all hands on deck trying to clear the. See how narrow this is? Yeah, that guy's driving on the shoulder. You can't follow the yellow line. It's wherever the plows went. I got 54 now. That seems a stay wonders. I guess the fire station. You gotta swing it wide, guys. Home furnishings. I think this is coming around where we used to play hockey. I'm on 189. Yeah, this is 189, I believe. Ooh, I'm already wore out. I gotta get some food and take a little nap and then get back. I told them they could come up tonight before dark, before the storm hits tomorrow. I don't know if I need to ask Terry if they're gonna come up, but I'd like to get that clear by 6 o'clock. That way they can come up in the daylight when the roads are good, you know, get settled, check on it. I like the beer when it comes so I can help them check things. They haven't been in the home. I think they had a grandson drive by and just look. Yeah, they could have damage inside, so they may have to go back down. I hate to. I'm not sure if somebody's been inside or not. I'll have to ask Terry that. Some people are coming home, the ceilings collapsed, balconies collapsed. What else have I seen? I've seen or heard, you know, gas meters. Some homes burned down. They've had the gas pipe get sheared. Like I just read a story where the lady, she smelled gas, called the fire department, and they found a house next to hers had a big leak. They're going in, you know, and capping them off. Thank God nothing ignited that. There's a big explosion and fire. Terrible. bust. That one day I was listening to 4 fires at once. It was terrible listening to that. It's pretty good. There's a couple. It's kind of like everywhere you go, there's one section or two that's real narrow, one lane. You've got to kind of take turns. Don't follow the yellow. Just hug the wall if you can. A lot of people can't. There's people that they get a little antsy when they get narrow. You got to be able to drive with these walls. I've had to fold my mirror in a couple times. See, like right here, my lane's a little bit short, but oh, I know where I'm at now. Well, maybe not. Let's see. This is the hard left. Yeah, I know where I'm at now. Coming around this hard left and uphill. We're getting over by the village, over by Hook Creek Road. Here comes some cars flying up behind me. See, I think I want to go left into the village. Yeah. And then we'll go right, I believe. Go down into the village. Yeah. And then hook to the left. This is right. Sorry, you got it down the hill or Flatlander. Ooh, I hope that was a neighbor. Boy, he hit the horn hard. I don't know if that guy was cutting him out. There's a guy in a white Suburban behind me, or Tahoe. It's flying. Come on, guys, slow down. We're in a parking lot now. Oh, where's Papagayos? This is on the left. Hopefully we got Big on Bears, McDonald's, Mickey D's. Center stage. Yeah, it's been a while. I figured we used to come in here for Papagayos. That's a walkway. This guy behind me, what a jerk. Yeah, I can't fit these. Looks like the village is pretty crowded. Let's see what we got here, because I can't fit these stalls. That's all handicapped. This is Suburban's right on my butt. There's some fire guys. Oh, this looks like, here we go. There's TV crew up there. We are going to pull through. There's make sure I can get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Next video today. See ya.